Hi, everybody. Well, we've overcome the chaos a little while ago. We got the GG1 back on the track. She runs, she's fine. You got to maintain and pay attention to stuff. Debris can fall on the tracks, get all this lichen and other vegetation, imitation vegetation can get on there, and the lichen's actually real vegetation, um, and cause havoc, derailments, etc., etc. But we stopped everything running because it's too crazy, and stuff does, that like that little 44 tonner. We put that back over in its little box over there. You see right at the left hand side. It runs. It should be lubed and cleaned. Installed on a dead spot. So now we're gonna look at some really top flight stuff. These are at least 20 years old. Probably haven't been run. Well, not by me, so they haven't been. I've had them over 10 years. Never ran it, and it's a sin. There's an SD70Mac by Kato and an SD40 by Kato. Now, one of them, let's see, that Southern Tier model works. This Southern Tier. So these are repaints, professional repaint. This is repaint. I don't know what it started out as, but now it's a CSX. We'll put that box down. And this one was repainted as a Norfolk Southern. So I don't know what they started their existence as, but that's what they are now. Maybe we need a little more light. I doubt that these have any whatchamacallits in them, meaning electronic stuff, decoders. It's kind of interesting. You can see it's really well painted. It's got the oil marks. Looks really nice. Now, it's been sitting here in a box. And lately, everything that I have that sits in the box kind of ossifies, except the rare piece. So I don't know if these come out that easily. They don't. They don't come out. It's not a one-hand removal job. And this one, oh, these are heavy. You know what? Oh, these are beautiful paint jobs. Wow. This might come out because it's got the, nope. Yeah, these are not designed to come out with one hand. That's a kind of a sin. But they're nice looking. So I'm going to take them out, put them up on the layout, and we're going to run them. And we're going to see if this manufacturer can run out of the box, sitting idle for at least 20 years. Is it possible they're only sitting idle for like 15 years? Yeah, it is possible. Maybe there'll be some, literature in here with a date on it. It's strange that they don't seem to date everything. I don't know why. Now look at that. Someone altered the box there. That's interesting. So who knows? Who knows what their real life history is? Got these from a collection. Let's get them out, get them on the tracks, see how they do. Be right back.